AI safety is really getting a lot of discussion in the press, but also in the research community. And I think this really shows how much uncertainty there is around how the technology is being developed and where it will go in the future. We're really trying to fund fundamental research that will help us understand how the technology will evolve in the future and anticipate how it's going to impact society. I work on trustworthy machine learning. How can users trust AI systems that they interact with? When we wear the security hat, we're typically the person that comes in the room and says, we have to think about the worst case. What is the biggest failure mode of the system that we're looking at? As we're interacting more and more with AI systems, we realize that a lot of sensitive information that we share with them can have an impact on how these systems behave. And so my group is designing algorithms that are able to learn from this data in a way that's more respectful, so that personal information that is contained in the data is not extracted by these algorithms, but they can still learn something useful from the data so we can benefit from these applications of AI. I've also benefited a lot from the community that CIFAR has built, myself and my research. When we tackle questions like privacy, this has a lot of impact in areas like medicine. And it would be a very bad idea to study such questions without having medical experts working on our projects with us. In the collaborations that we have with medical researchers, we're able to make sure that our algorithms are not ignoring such data points and are providing predictions that are fair in the sense that they're not biased against members of the population with these conditions. And so I think this has a really big impact and highlights challenges that we would otherwise not be able to observe in other data sets. In Canada, we have here a lot of perspectives. I love walking into my lab and just realizing that the trainees are from all over the world. And so we need these diverse perspectives on the problem if we want to find solutions that are impactful. I will be happy once we have been able to help Canadians trust AI, because it's a prerequisite to being able to adopt AI is that we are all able to trust it.